Hello guys, my name is Chef Daniel and welcome to my kitchen. And yet again I bring in you an amazing dish. This one is the killer. It's the amazing jack chicken. And I guarantee you after this video you will be able to make the best jack chicken. Tremendous, amazing. No kidding. Okay, so now I'm trying to make it easy, simple, and yet amazing. Also, just before we carry on, guys, I want to say how grateful I am for those of you who subscribe. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so we can grow up this magic community. Please subscribe. So this is it. We're gonna cook the best Caribbean jack chicken, and you guys gonna help me along. Okay, first of all, let me say jack is a style of cooking. It's a style of cooking native to Jamaica, where you season meat with either dry spice or wet spice, and you cook it in an open wood. But the actual physical word is believed to come from Peru, derived from the word charqui, which means dry strips of meat. All over the world we have charqui, but we call it jerky. The jerk style of cooking is native to Jamaica. So how did it happen? When the British captured the island from Spain in 1655, some of the slaves escaped to the Blue Mountain of Jamaica, known as the Maroons. But as soon as they arrive there, they've got to eat. In order to adapt into their new surroundings, they invented this style, the jerk style of cooking. But did you know they first started with jerk pork? They capture wild boar and then they start jerking them. But nowadays, jerk chicken is the most popular because everyone is a little bit health conscious, and that's why you will find more jerk chicken than jerk pork. But in the Western world, the proper style of cooking, the proper style of jerk cooking is almost impossible, especially if you're cooking at home or you have a restaurant like myself. To have a basic jerk seasoning, you need to have scotch bonnet, any sweet like honey or sugar, any zesty vinegary things like soy sauce or lime or lemon or vinegar, and you need to have garlic, spring onion, and allspice, pimento berries. So with all history out of the way, let's start our cooking. So here, what ingredients do we have here? So there's two ways of doing it. You can do it from scratch, or you can buy a ready blended jar like the one I have in my hand there. It's made by me, Chef Daniel, and we really balance to get the best out of every single ingredients. And if you try it out, please let us know what do you think in the comment box below. We feel like this jar have everything and is as close as possible to the authentic Jamaican jack. This jar is enough for a whole chicken, and you want to season the meat overnight, best overnight, and then you want to cook it in the oven and bring it out to the barbecue. And like that, you will guarantee yourself your meat is not going to be burned. And also, if you put your hand in this beauty, please let us know in the comment below. We try to make it as natural as possible. For that reason, there is no artificial flavoring and color, and everything there is completely natural. There is no artificial flavoring or color. We pasteurize it. There's no additive or anything like that. When you're cooking any barbecue, really, whatever seasoning you're using, it's best to cook it in the oven if you have an oven, and then you bring it out to the open fire. Like that, you won't have to burn your meat. You just looking for that smoky flavor, which is really amazing. So go ahead and let's have a nice barbecue this summer. With all this out of the way, let's put this jar away and let's go in over the ingredients we have here. We can start making our jerk paste from scratch, and this you see here, it's all you will need. So we got some oil, and next we have some cloves are really strong. We have some black pepper, cracked pepper, we have some ginger, we have some thyme. I really like thyme. We have some onion, and we also have some parsley. We have some soy sauce. I like to mix the soy sauce with like the lemon as well. We have some spring onion, and then we have some scotch bonnet. Oh yeah, be careful with with those bad boy. They are really hot. Um, we have some honey. It's like sugary, any sugary thing. Brown sugar will do fine as well if you don't have honey. We have some garlic. You can't do without. What I like to put in mine is chicken season. I love to put chicken season, the powdering, the powder. I like to put it in my jack seasoning. And we have the lemon. You can also use lime if you want, really. Any zesty vinegary thing you can find, you can chuck it in there. And with no further ado, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna blend everything. We're gonna blend a lot and then make a really nice jack seasoning, jack paste from scratch. And those ingredients here are all you need really to make a really nice jack paste. Really amazing. And now we're gonna prepare everything and put them in the blender, and we're gonna blend them. Oh yeah, oil. We had already prepared everything, and then we're gonna just chuck everything in the blender, and we're gonna blend them. It's as simple as that to make an amazing jerk chicken. Really, now we just put everything in the blender, and we just blend it. As I say, guys, when you're doing barbecue, it's best to cook if you have a bony meat or bigger pieces. It's best to cook it in the oven and then bring it out to the barbecue. Like that, you won't have to burn your meat. You will have a really soft meat, but yet with that smoky barbecue flavor. Really amazing.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no, it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests.
So what we done really with seasonal meat, put it in the oven 180 degrees to 200 degrees, and the bad boys is now cooked. Oh, you just want to smell this. This is amazing. It smells amazing. So this is the time you would bring it to the barbecue to get that smoky flavor. But we're not gonna do that today. We're just gonna eat it straight away. The tray, you can make an amazing jerk sauce out of it. You just put some hot water and then bring it to the boil, put it in a pot, and you're gonna make a jerk sauce to go with the jerk chicken, especially when you're having rice and peas. And you can see on your screen there, it'll be an amazing jerk sauce. So if you want to know how to make this rice and peas, check out my other videos. They will be in my YouTube channel. This is smell amazing. This is heaven for me. Uh, Check chicken, rice and peas, coleslaw, and some salad. This is all you need for paradise. I love it. This is amazing. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you.